Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh! Wow, I went a little higher there, but I did it right. It's snowing out here on Long Island, so this can only mean one thing.
You say you wanna dance. You're worrying, you'll end up in the wrong hands.
So that was by far one of the most fun videos that I've made on the channel so far. I had a ton of fun doing it. I haven't done this in a very long time, and I haven't done this in a very long time in a front-wheel drive car. I think last time I did this was on the FRS, and it was like well over a year ago, so it was last winter. So this winter I had not gotten behind the wheel again of a front-wheel drive car during the snow, yada yada yada, all that fun stuff. So you guys were actually supposed to get a video for the JB4 dyno today, but obviously that wasn't possible because we've gotten a third nor'easter in the past 2.5 weeks here in New York. To you guys in Boston, Mr. Ignition Tube, ooh, you guys are getting like 2 feet of snow, so good luck out there. Be safe. drive well, and love your life doing some donuts for like the next 2 weeks. Yeah, so that's pretty much gonna do it. I'm sorry there wasn't a lot of talking or interacting in that. It was just mainly just POV, driving footage, front and back, things like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.